So talk about Nigerian star that is Joboy yavudeyo nagamba nti ayagala kukola ne of course our very own Sheebah Kalungi. We know it very well nti Joboy has worked with of course a Fik for Mike on a song that is called Wansakata, and he's an amazing singer that side in Nigeria. And yavudeyo nagamba nti banange, I love Ugandan artists, they're so amazing, they're hardworking, and yes, I would like to work with Sheebah Kalungi, and trust me, fans on social media are very excited about this one, and we hope that this collabo is gonna be coming very very soon. What I don't expect okwematira kwa Sheebah okuva inagamba nti sigenda kola naye, you know, I don't really expect that to come out.
Ekisokera ddala ono mwana Joboy brand nene agezeza kukola nti music wa atambula even outside Nigeria. Era chemanyi Jeff Chiwa bagenda kikwasaganya bakole collabo.
Sheebah tagenda kwematira.
Ate nekirala ndi Sheebah ono omanyi lwaki abayimbi abamu bavayo nga bagala kola ne Sheebah. Sheebah akoze international collabos nyingi, akoze ne Run Town Weekend, nakola ne The Ben okuva Rwanda, akoze ne Harmonize n'abalala bangi ba Solid Star ng'enyimba zonna zikuba. Kyovala n'abayimbi bagamba lwaki nange sikola ne Sheebah ono. Chemanyi Jeff Chiwa bagenda kikwasaganya bakola oluyimba ate lujja kubanga lw'amaanyi. Yeah bro,
I feel like the fact that Joboy yakajja mu entertainment industry wada nyimba zakabye na hits, Sheebah yinza kwematira nagamba ndi neda soko wetereze.
No chemanyi nze Sheebah alisted tasobola kwematira. Ate nekirala big up to Mr Easy yaleeta ono mwana guy Joboy n'amuzuula 2019 namanya nti omwana katumuteekawo tu supporting talent yaffe. Kino bw'okizene waffe waka nti abayimbi nammwe mulina okumanya nti muleta talent. Ono muyimbi Mr Easy naye azuddeyo muyimbi omulala ate w'amaanyi. Yeah bro.
Okay, well that is Joboy right there. We are about to hear from Sheebah what she is thinking about this plea from of course